Hello. In this video, we're going to learn simple trick to plus minus time divide negative number, something like this, super fast, and most importantly, we no need to use the number line or calculator. Let's go. Here is what we're going to cover, and as usual, I will show you a trick, step by step, and example. How to plus minus negative number. The trick is very simple. You just need to ask same sign or different sign. So how this work? If same sign, then you plus the number. And the sign of the final answer is same. Try this. We know that 4 plus 12 equal to 16. This is plus. So this is basically same sign. And we plus. How about negative 4 and minus 12? This here will be same sign. So we plus 4 plus 12, that will equal to 16. And we take the sign is negative. So the answer is negative 16. What if different sign? If different sign, then we minus the number and the sign of the final answer will be sign of the bigger number. So 4 minus 12, this is plus, so this is different sign. So it's you minus, so minus 12 minus 4, that will give you 8. Sign of the bigger number is negative, so it's negative 8. How about negative 4 plus 12? Same, this is different sign. So you minus 12 minus 4 with 8. So sign of the bigger number is plus, therefore this is plus, and we just 8. Now let's try this. So same sign or different sign? This is same sign, plus. Therefore you plus a 2, 24 plus 36. That's equal to 60. And the sign is negative. See, the sign is negative. Okay, this one's plus and minus, so if different sign, so these two you minus 45 minus 35, that will give you 10, and the sign of a bigger number is negative. This one is plus minus, so if different sign, so you minus 48 minus 32, that will give you equal to 16. So sign of bigger number is negative. This is a bigger number. Now let's try this. So minus is same sign. So these two you plus 43 plus 25, that will give you 68. And the sign is negative. How about if you have 3 numbers? So we'll do 2 by 2. First, this is same sign. So we plus 14 plus 6, that will give you 20. So this equal to negative 20 plus 8. And now it's different sign. Then 20 minus 8, that will give you 12. So equal to 12 is negative, because the bigger is negative. So we take negative. Now look at this. Okay, this is plus, minus. So if different sign, so 45 minus 35, that will give you 10. So it's negative 10 minus 30. Same sign with plus 10 plus 30 will give 40. So they will give negative 40. Next is plus, plus minus, so it's different sign. Minus 36 minus 14 is equal to 22. So it's negative 22 minus 18. Same sign, you plus 22 minus 8 plus 18, that will equal to 40. So your answer should be negative 40. In this question, with double sign, so we will come back to this later. Now look at how to times or divide. Same, the trick we use with the same, just ask it's same sign or different sign. And how this work. If same sign, you just time or divide normally. And the sign or the final answer, if you have same sign, then it's a plus. Try this. We know that 4 times 2 is 8. Or negative 4 times negative 2. Same sign, that will also give you 8. Because 8, then same sign with plus. The answer will be plus. If different sign, we just time or divide normally, but the final answer is minus. So if minus 2 times, minus 4 times 2, that will give you 4 times 2 is 8, final answer is minus. Same, this will give you negative 8. Okay, this apply for divide as well. So if you have 15 divided by 3 is 5, negative 15 divided by negative 3, same sign, then the answer should be positive. If one positive, one negative, one negative, one positive, then answer should be negative, so it's negative 5. And one positive, one negative, different sign, then you say negative 5. So take note of the sign. If same sign, then you should have plus, and if different sign, you should have minus. So this stuff here can summarize in this. And you notice you have double sign here. We use this with plus or minus. So how to plus and minus with double sign? This. So first, we need to settle the double sign. Okay, so that will give you negative 14 plus minus 6, and this is plus 8. That should equal to minus 6 minus 20 plus 8. This will give you minus 12. How about this? So it's 35 plus minus is minus 45 and minus 30. So plus 35 minus 45 minus 15 minus 10, sorry, minus 30. Your final answer should equal to same sign, then we plus, so if 40, take the sign. How about this? So if plus minus is minus, so if 14, 36 minus 18. So 14, 36, that will give you 22 is a negative, minus 18, that will give you negative 40. Next, so it's 35, minus minus plus 45, plus minus is minus 9. That will be 70, 80, 80 minus 9, that will give you 71. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Now, what if combine? Okay, so we know that if a combination, we need to settle the plus the time or divide first. So first we do this time, so negative 14. 4 times 8, 4 times negative 8, that will give you negative 32. So negative 32. Okay, same sign, so we plus 14 plus 32, that will equal to 46. If here you settle this first, 35 divided by negative 5, that will give you negative 7. Minus minus is plus 23. Different sign, minus 23 minus 7 is equal to, 16. So your answer should be 16. So divide first, 24 divided by negative 3, that will give negative 8. Negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 2. So your answer, same sign, 8 plus 2 equal to 10. The sign is negative. Settle this, 15. Negative 25 divided by negative 5, that should equal to 5 is a positive, so plus 5 minus minus is plus 4. So do you get 24? Okay. Yeah, that's all. So remember, practice is the key. So if you have any question, feel free to comment and do subscribe to this channel. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.